Alright. Welcome back to another 2022 BRZ video. She's looking clean right now. I just got her finished up and washed a couple hours ago because we are going to be driving to Chicago tomorrow at 4 a.m. Yes, it is a 12-hour road trip here from Maryland. I'm attempting to do it. It is my second time. The last time was with my family. This time will be all by myself and alone. I think we're going to be fine, especially running this fitment. It's a little bit more of a crazier experience, but I think it's going to be a great time driving up to Chicago, and I just really wanted to add more miles to the car and get to know the car much better. So I think it'll be a fun experience driving up there to Chicago. Other than that, we do have a couple things to install before we get ready for the road trip. We do have this really cool plug-and-play device that gives us wireless CarPlay, YouTube, and Netflix built into the dash. We're gonna go ahead and install that. Gotta go run some groceries, get some drinks, and put in a cooler. We do have crabs in the freezer, but I have to deliver that to my girlfriend. So yeah, a lot of stuff is gonna happen with this road trip. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I think it's gonna be a cool experience, especially with how we're running this car. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Woo! So yeah, this is the cooler we're gonna be bringing, and then over here are the crabs just chilling in the freezer. But I'm gonna pull this out later towards the end of the day so we can put it in the car. But that's what we're delivering all the way to Chicago, so that's gonna be pretty cool. So as you guys know, the 2022 BRZ does not have wireless CarPlay, which is very unfortunate, but you can actually add it on yourself with a simple USB device. This one from OneCarStereo. This is their AI Box Lite, and basically it gives us wireless CarPlay with also additional apps like Netflix and YouTube that go straight into the factory screen of our BRZ. So let's go ahead and install this. I actually have a couple of supporting mods that will help our wireless CarPlay out, especially with mounting our phone to the dash. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how that all works out, and hopefully it's gonna turn out really, really good. All right, so it basically comes in this little box here, and you have your instructions and manuals, and then finally you have this little thing, little box. Looks like it has a lot of ventilation, and it also has USB here and USB-C over here. I know it's really, really small, but there's a lot of power packed into this little box that we'll see inside the car. So let's go ahead and install it. All right, so we're inside the car now, and basically all you're gonna have to do is connect it to the hub here in the middle of the car. There's gonna be two USB ports here. It's gonna be one the farthest to the right. That's where you're gonna connect it to. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so right here is a little bit of a closer look. And as you can see, it's on, it's blinking red. And then right in the front of the screen here, it's telling us enable CarPlay. I'm gonna hit don't show again and hit yes. There we go. And then we're gonna use CarPlay. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wireless CarPlay, y'all. No wires. And this is the supporting mods that I was talking about. So there's this Etsy seller that's selling these 3D designed like phone mounts that hooks onto the actual glove box here on top and also into the dash here on the radio. And it's really tight fitment, like it's not gonna go anywhere. You don't need to use any 3M, whatnot. It's super, super tight. The only thing that you really need to get after this phone mount is to get the MagSafe charger. It only works with the Apple MagSafe charger. So yeah, while I'm on a road trip, all I gotta do is snap it into place and it's gonna wirelessly charge it with wireless CarPlay now. Super cool combo, as you guys can see right here. All right, so now I have my YouTube set up. Basically, I just logged in via the touchscreen and we can watch one of our videos. Oh my God. Holy crap. There we go. Yeah, there's no way I'm watching videos like this, man. I gotta be focused on driving. Other apps here, we got Apple Music and Netflix. Oh wow, it has actually picture-in-picture. My YouTube video is still right there playing. And now we're going on Netflix. What? All right, so that's the OneCarStereo AI box. Super, super cool. I'm probably just gonna be using it for wireless CarPlay, but again, it's nice to have YouTube and Netflix built into it. And honestly, the connection is really, really good. I can just start up the car, wait a couple of seconds for the phone to connect, and boom, wireless CarPlay pops up, and super, super nice to have. But yeah, now it's time to get some groceries. I do need to get some snacks and some nice drinks, making sure I'm comfortable on this nice long road trip, and hopefully I'll be totally fine for this 12 hours. So let's go and go to the grocery store. God, so much sugar. Good morning, guys. It's about 3:40 in the morning. I just woke up, about 4 hours of sleep, and I'm still a little bit tired, but nothing like coffee can fix. But yeah, super pumped up, and I am ready to go. Everything's packed up. I just need to put it in the car, and then we're gonna stop by 7-Eleven to fill up all the way so we can start with a full tank of gas, get some snacks and some drinks, and we should be good to go. Man, I should have probably got a little bit more sleep, but that's my fault, so it's all right. I'll see you guys at the gas station. Alright guys, just filled up with gas, time to go. It's pretty packed in here. Like, I got crabs, crab cakes, and all my clothes and personal stuff in the car, and it's a tight fit, but we made it work. But yeah, it's time to head to Chicago. Hopefully there's no hiccups with the cops or just getting pulled over or anything with the wheels, especially the wheels. I'm not running any spares. That's really a bad idea. Unfortunately, I just don't have any. So we're just gonna run it. We're gonna full send it, and hopefully we don't get any of those issues. Alright guys, we're here at Sheetz, right at the turnpike in PA. We're still here for a little bit longer, I think maybe another hour or two, and then we'll be out of the state. Still gotta head towards up Pittsburgh and then going back down the mountain. But it was a really fun morning drive. Now the sun is up and, you know, probably got a little bit more blue hour on the way up. But yeah, really good drive so far. I'm not too sleepy, got my coffee in. I'll probably eat breakfast a little later, but so far the ride's been awesome. Driving a BRZ on this road trip has been pretty fun and comfortable. The seats are comfy. I was expecting a little bit more of a rough ride with how stiff the backs are right now with the suspension, but overall it's doing great. Other than that, we have a lot of bug guts in the front, but that's to be expected. So yeah, but anyways, on to the next stop. Let's go. Right behind us, guys. Man, this drive is absolutely awesome, especially during the morning. It's just so calming. There's no traffic. It's just you in the car. It's just a good time, man. I'm having a great time. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever we stop next. We're here in Ohio, the state that I don't really want to be in because there's helicopters here. Let's see how far we get. Look at that storm. Guys, look at that storm. What the? Oh, we're about to run into a giant storm. Oh, let's go, let's go. About to go storm chasing, y'all. Let's go. Always dreamt about doing this. Let's do it. Here we go. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. God, that was kind of scary. I low-key was scared that maybe we might hit like a hailstorm. Oh God, here we go again. Because I've seen a lot of TikToks of like hail destroying people's cars. That would have been very bad, like really bad. Welcome to the city of Mishawaka. Okay, sorry, I said it wrong. Mishawaka, guys. We are here at Mishawaka. Alright, so the reason why we are stopping here is because one of my subscribers told me that literally I'm on the same route towards them, and they work at this like restaurant, and I wanted to get some lunch, and it was like at the halfway point towards Chicago. I guess a little bit more than halfway, and it kind of fit the schedule. It's past noon now, and I'm really hungry, and I want some food, so might as well stop by a subscriber of mine, which is his name is Owen. It's gonna be super cool, and hopefully we get some nice food. So let's go ahead and meet up. Let's go. How you doing? So that's Owen right there. He's just a subscriber. He's working. I can't really disturb him.
Guys, I'm so hungry. It's nice that I can just sit down and not drive for a little bit. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we got some steak and cheese. Hopefully it's good. I've never had Firehouse before. I know they're common, but never had any before. So let's eat some steak and cheese now.
Worst opening ever. Oh, this looks good. Yes. Let's go.
Go. Yeah. That was good. Oh my god.
For the video. Yeah, it was nice meeting you, dude. I know.
Literally a whole 12 hours, man. It's 4:20 right now. I'm about to turn into their driveway now. Let's do this. Holy crap, we're here. Oh my god.
guys, 12-hour drive. Here we go.
Pittsburgh before. This is so cool.
Hey! Alright guys, we just landed in Pittsburgh and you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hey guys, my name is Allie. This is my 2022 GR86.
She got a hot red GR86.
Yes,
Look at that.
Haven't done much things to it though. I did change the exhaust and I added the bug belt and I had a bunch of decals.
But look at this, right? She's all clean and look how much bug guts. Have you seen the front? It's so bad.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, we just finished.
It was so cool. The video is gonna turn out so great.
I wish we shot more behind the scenes because we were really trolling around.
We were like literally running around and stuff. It was so fun.
Yeah.
And also we were like competing the speed with the sunset.
But yeah, this is how the cars are sitting. Mine is still filled with bug guts, but the car is looking nice and red. I actually really like this color. I want the bumper. Can I take your bumper?
Don't steal my bumper, please. It's a bike car.
Bye. We made it. Holy frick, I'm so tired. We're here. We went from 3,000 miles to 5,000 miles in a week. Shit.